Hi everyone! Today I will talk about differences between frontend and backend. First, we need to know what is frontend and backend. Frontend is this part of the website that user can interact with. Buttons, text boxes, navigation bars, but also text, colors, images, style, and layout of page is part of what we call frontend. Whole visible content is frontend developer work. As a front-end developer, your duties will be to ensure that your website is responsive and every element on your website appears and behaves correctly, no matter of screen size. Backend is server side of the website. This is the part of website you can't see inside your browser. As a backend developer, you will be working with data and creating logical structures of your website. Example of backend developer work is creating connection between the database and website to allow users to log into their accounts. We need to ensure that GUI designed by front-end developer is fully functional. The second important thing are technologies used in both of them. In front-end we have HTML, which allow us to set and display content on our website. We have CSS that describes the style of your website. And JavaScript. This is the programming language of HTML, which will allow you to program the behavior of website. JavaScript will be executed by the browser. Backend technologies can be divided to language and database. In both of them, choose only one. Examples of backend programming language are PHP, C#, Ruby, Python, and Node.js. Yes, in Node.js we are using JavaScript, but Node.js is runtime for JavaScript. It allows you to execute JS out of browser. If we are talking about databases, you need to know SQL, which stands for Structured Query Language. This is the language to manipulate our data inside database. And here are 3 examples of database management system: MySQL, Oracle, or SQL Server. The third thing is frameworks and libraries for our frontend and backend. In frontend, for JavaScript, we have AngularJS, which is framework, React.js, and jQuery are libraries for our JavaScript. For CSS, we have Sass, which is CSS preprocessor, and Bootstrap, which is framework. In backend, for PHP we have Laravel, for C# we have ASP.NET, for Ruby we have Rails, for Python we have Django or Flask, for Node.js we have Express. At the end, I want to say, remember, don't close yourself only for one side of web development, especially if you are a beginner. Try both of them and compare them for your own. All in all, these 2 elements will be used to create one website, and it's important to understand how to create functional high-end website. And that's all for today. Thank you and see you soon.